Let's start with one round of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a complete sadhana, spiritual practice in itself, for it includes asana, pranayama, mantra, and meditation techniques. It is an excellent group of asanas with which to start morning practice. Surya Namaskar has a direct vitalizing effect on the solar energy of the body which flows through Pingala Nadi. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar regulates Pingala Nadi, whether it is underactive or overactive. Let's begin. Come to the top of your mat, hands together at heart center, taking a deep breath in. Inhale, extending your hands to the back, opening your chest, and as you fold forward, exhaling. Bring your right foot to the back, right knee down. Bring your left foot back into plank, keeping your body in a straight line. Inhale, exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale into cobra. Tuck your toes, move back into mountain, bringing your right foot forward, left knee down. Inhale, exhale, bring your left foot forward, hip to knee. Inhale all the way up, extending your chest towards the sky and back to heart center. Completing the other side, inhale, lifting your arms up, extending your hands to the back. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, bring your left foot to the back, knees down. Exhale, right foot to the back in a plank position. Inhale, exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground, only your hips are lifted. Inhale into cobra. Move back into mountain. Bring your left foot forward, right knee down. Exhale, bring your right foot forward. Fold forward, inhale all the way up, lifting your chest, opening the back of the heart, and exhale back to heart center. This is one complete round of Surya Namaskar.